Are you looking to boost the performance of your Redis setup? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to prioritize endpoints in StackExchange.Redis for optimal read operations. I totally understand your concern. When working with multiple Redis nodes, it can be frustrating to think that read operations might not be as efficient as they could be. You're definitely not alone in wanting to enhance performance. Let's take a closer look at your specific situation. You have 4 Windows servers, each running a Redis node and a Sentinel process, with a web application deployed on each server. You want to know if it's possible to prioritize local Redis nodes for read operations to reduce latency. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the deal with prioritizing endpoints? In Redis, read operations can be affected by how you configure your connections. While you can prioritize slaves over masters using command flags, prioritizing specific endpoints for read operations is a bit trickier. Let's break it down. And stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share a practical tip that could significantly improve your Redis performance. To prioritize local Redis nodes for read operations, the user can modify the connection configuration. First, they should ensure that the local Redis endpoints are listed before any remote endpoints in the configuration options. Next, the user should utilize the command flags property when executing read commands. This allows them to specify that read operations should prefer local nodes. Additionally, the user can implement a custom logic in their application to check the local Redis node's availability before attempting to connect to other nodes. This can be done by checking the server's status. Finally, the user should test their configuration to ensure that read operations are indeed being directed to the local Redis nodes. They can monitor performance metrics to confirm the improvements. Fun fact, Redis was originally created as a way to store data in memory for fast access. It's amazing how far it has come, and now you can optimize it even further. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves prioritizing Redis connections based on the application's location. They recommend that each application should connect to the Redis instance running on the same virtual machine for optimal performance. To implement this, the user provides a code snippet that dynamically retrieves the local IP address and configures the Redis connection accordingly. If the local connection fails, it falls back to a predefined list of endpoints. Finally, the user demonstrates how to use the established connection to perform Redis operations, like setting and getting values. Here's a pro tip. Regularly monitor your Redis performance metrics. This will help you identify any bottlenecks and adjust your configurations accordingly. And there you have it. By prioritizing your local Redis nodes, you can significantly enhance your application's performance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your tech stack.